As the Lok Sabha election of 2024 continues, phase 3 is happening on May 7. Well, in this phase, people will vote for 93 seats and 12 states and union territories. Some important races are going to take place in this particular phase, with well-known candidates from different parties competing against each other. Now, during this phase, some states will have important elections that will wrap up the voting battle in those areas. 2 seats in Goa, 26 seats in Gujarat, 7 in Chhattisgarh and 14 seats in Karnataka will be contested. Now in this video, let's talk about 6 most influential candidates who are contesting in phase 3 of Lok Sabha elections. First in the list, we have Amit Shah contesting from Gandhinagar in Gujarat. The Union Home Minister is going to run for his second term from Gandhinagar. This area has been a strong support base of BJP since 1989. In the upcoming elections, he will compete against Sonal Patil from the Congress party. Well, I think he's going to hope to win by a large margin like he did in 2019 when he won by 5.55 lakh votes. Second in the list is Dimple Yadav, a leader of Samajwadi Party, and she is running for re-elections from Mainpuri in Uttar Pradesh. Well, this seat was held by her father-in-law, Mulayam Singh Yadav before. She won by elections in December 2022, defeating Raghuraj Singh from BJP. Now she is facing Jaiveer Singh Thakur from BJP in the upcoming elections. Third candidate that we have is former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Digvijay Singh, who is running for elections again from Rajgarh. This seat is important in this election particularly. Singh has said that this will be his last election. He is competing against Rodmal Nagar from BJP, who has been a member of parliament twice before. Well, seems like it's a closely watched contest. Fourth candidate is Jyoti Aditya Scindia, who used to be in the Congress party and now is the Civil Aviation Minister. He is running for elections from Guna, that's in Madhya Pradesh. He joined the BJP in 2020 and he lost this seat in 2019 to Krishnapal Singh from BJP. Now he is competing against Yadvindra Rao, who is from the Congress party. Supriya Sule is our fifth candidate, who is the daughter of NCP SP leader Sharad Pawar. Well, she is running for re-elections from Baramati in Maharashtra. She is facing Sunitra Pawar, who is the wife of Ajit Pawar and joined the BJP-led NDA. Baramati has been stronghold for Pawar family since 1984. First, Sharad Pawar held it and now Supriya Sule holds it. In 2019, she defeated Kanchan Rahul Kul from BJP. The sixth candidate is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who was the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh for a really long period of time. Well, he is running for the elections from Vidisha. He is competing against Pratap Bhanu Sharma from the Congress party. Chauhan, who is now the candidate for the BJP, wants to keep his position as the Member of Parliament from Vidisha for the very 5th time. Now, who will win and who will fail, only time will tell. But till then, you do let us know in the comment section below, have you voted yet? For more such interesting videos, do follow India.com.